know where I'm going. I'm following
Y'all done seen us first. We got David out here again, week number 2. With the Ozark Trail. Let them see that thing. Clip ins, Ozark Trail. He had, what you had last time you rode with us?
Polygon N7.
The Polygon. Now he got his own build Ozark Trail bike. So we're gonna see how I do at Mountain Creek.
I hope so.
We back out here again, and it's his first time, so he's gonna give y'all a insight what he think about it. Yeah, let's get this started. First off, you got your pump track up here, or you could just keep on going by and start on the trail itself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a little bit drizzly out here today, y'all. Hopefully it don't get no, well, it ain't drizzly, it's misty. This ain't a drizzle yet. Supposed to rain later on. Today is Saturday, what, March 15th, something like that. 12-ish. David's first time here at Mountain Creek. See how you like it. It is, you can see it's real flowy. And this is pretty much how all the trails is out here. What's this? Fun and flowy, right?
Huh?
Fun and flowy.
It's not bad at all.
But you got to pretty much, if y'all ain't never been, people I'm talking to on camera, but pretty much one way in, one way out.
Okay.
And you just keep riding. We're gonna end up going down there, and that's where people come back at.
I'm following y'all.
But fun, flowy, got climbs, but nothing too crazy. And that's pretty much your way back. But if you do go out here and y'all ride, before you get tired, start making your way back. Because you will not get out and just walk on the greenway.
Not unless you call somebody to come get you.
Right. This ain't one of them trails that you just get out the end and be like, okay, time to just take the greenway back. No, sir. And then the bad part about it is when you coming out, it's hill that you got to climb to get back to the car. So it's about a mile climb. Uh-huh. That's better now. Yes, sir. EVO Stumpy doing good out here. Yes, sir. And take the route. That's a fun way down, but remember, you gotta climb that coming back up. That's a good section now, y'all. Really good section. What do you think? Hey, I took that spot that time. You're supposed to go to the right.
What?
You're supposed to go to the right that time you got stuck.
Hey.
Get off them brakes, girl.
What'd you think?
So far, pretty good. This trail is nice. This right here, it handles pretty good on this. Other than technical faults of my own, it's not bad so far.
Cool. That's pretty much how most of it is.
Yeah.
Fun, Flowy.
Okay.
It's just you ain't coming out on the greenway and like I'm making my way back to the top.
Oh yeah, I see that. It's like yeah,
it's just trail after trail after trail.
Hike a bike. Ooh.
But it ain't too bad to where you gotta hike and be like. But it's some little pitchy hills, but they don't last too long.
Okay.
You gotta go find Latoya because she done took off. Cause you don't like riding on the trail.
Oh, you bulldozing me today. All right, following your line. Taking your line.
Yes, sir. What you think?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
You gonna climb that?
I will.
Terminator.
There she go. Terminator.
So that's her new nickname, T2.
First time out here, y'all. T2. First time out here. And he like it. It's a good sign.
I like this.
Good sign. We done did 1.5 miles.
Nice.
We got camera on David. Yes, sir. Latoya done left us. It's all right, though. There she go. Clip ins. Done left us.
Yeah, I had to wait on them.
Yeah, a bit.
Shenny.
Yeah. Have fun. Have fun. Speed. Go speed. Go speed. Made it to the bridge. Yeah. With that climb, you was almost done. Saying my name twice.
That's how important you is to me.
Oh yeah. After the bridge, we gotta climb, climb, climb. We're gonna at least do one downhill hub ride. I gotta see why my daggone derailleur keep clicking. It ain't fully right lined up, I guess. But we're gonna climb and make it to the hub. Probably take a blue black down. Made it to the top.
Take the 14?
We're gonna take a, haymaker. Made it to the top of the central hub. We're gonna go down haymaker. It's a downhill. Hell no. That ain't bad. Oh.
Hey, so let me get out of your way.
You right on my ass too. Oh shit!
Damn.
Got me over here terrified.
You did that jump?
Hell no. I
Oh,
can't even get my seat to go back down there.
it was fun, y'all. Haymaker. That was a 10 out of 10.
That was fun, y'all.
That's definitely a session, Goop.
We're gonna do another downhill, y'all. That haymaker, that was fun. See what we get into next. I don't know. Let him go. Let's go, y'all. Damn. That ain't bad. But I ain't doing it. Yeah, I rode this one. That ain't. You ain't gonna catch me.
There's a hill. Get momentum.
That was good. Now, back to the bridge. Headed back to the bridge. Headed back to the bridge. We done did 5 miles, but we gotta make it back to the car, which is still another 2 miles. So we'll probably end up with like 7 or 8 miles. Back to back to the bridge.
Huh?
Back to the car.
Around here.
We done made it back.
Huh?
And we good now. How you feeling?
What?
How you feeling?
How I'm feeling? I'm good. My legs are cooked.
First time riding? How was it?
Yeah, it was great. I like this trail. It's fun. Some really nice downhills.
We did 7.5, 8-ish miles, somewhere around there.
Look me on there.
What you on?
8 for me.
8 for her, she say, and I did 7.5, a little over 7.6.
Hold on, I got you. Before you bring a new bike out here, shake it down so you don't have all types of problems like I had.
Yep, but we had a good ride, y'all. See y'all on the next Big Bodies on Bikes group ride. You see it here.
Bye.
Bacon!